Animals that hunt can be broadly divided into two categories: predators, hunters, and prey, hunted. Predators are animals that actively hunt and kill other animals for food, while prey are the animals that are hunted and eaten by predators. Both predators and prey have evolved various adaptations to enhance their survival in their respective roles. Here are 20 examples of animals that hunt, categorized by their type of hunting. 1. Ambush predators. These predators wait in hiding for their prey to come within striking distance. Example: crocodile. 2. Chasers. These predators use their speed and endurance to chase down their prey. Example: cheetah. 3. Stalkers. These predators stealthily approach their prey before launching an attack. Example: jaguar. For pouncers, these predators launch themselves at their prey from a hidden location. Example: leopard. 5. Pack hunters. These predators work together in groups to take down their prey. Example: wolves. 6. Cooperative hunters. These predators work with other species to catch their prey. Example: honey badgers and honey-guide birds. 7. Opportunistic hunters. These predators are not specialized hunters and take advantage of any available food source. Example: bears. 8. Scavengers. These predators feed on the remains of animals that have already been killed. Example: hyenas. 9. Sit-and-wait hunters. These predators remain motionless and wait for their prey to come within striking distance. Example: spider. 10. Parasitic hunters. These predators live on or inside their host and feed on their bodily fluids. Example: ticks. 11. Filter feeders. These predators consume small organisms suspended in water or air. Example: whales. 12. Suction feeders. These predators use suction to capture their prey. Example: octopus. 13. Projectile feeders. These predators shoot out a projectile to catch their prey. Example: archer fish. 14. Trapdoor spiders. These predators create a trapdoor in the ground and wait for prey to fall in. Example: trapdoor spider. 15. Lure hunters. These predators use a lure to attract their prey before attacking. Example: anglerfish. 16. Burrowing predators. These predators dig tunnels and burrows to capture their prey. Example: mole. Thank you for being with me so far in the video. Subscribe now and unlock a world of exclusive content, giveaways, and insider access to my creative process.